Hello everyone, this is Akram here and I am going to make this video for you so you can know how to build a website step by step and uh, it is very easy. Okay, so I am going to share a practical work which I am doing for one of my client, so you can understand how I actually build a website from ground up to making it live online. Okay, so here I have some list of tasks which I will have to do to complete the website. Okay, I have three sections. I have organized the full instruction in three sections. The first one is website development, and under this step we will have installing WordPress, we will have installing theme, then we will have creating pages, then creating menus, and then we will start to design the website. And the second part, I will show you how we will design the website using the theme functions or using the theme built-in themes we will use, and then we will see how we can create the pages and use them and design them as we need for the category of business we have. Okay, so this is it. I am going to share my direct work. I am going to work here. So here I have already installed the WordPress. So if I go to my list of tasks, then the first one, installing WordPress, it is already completed, so I am going to mark it red. Now I am going to the second step where I am going to install the theme. So let's see how to install the theme. So this is the WordPress backend panel, the admin area, from where you can control the full website and design and do everything. If you have already worked with WordPress, then you already have the idea, but if you are fully new to the website development, then you will have to log into the website by writing the /wp admin, and once you hit enter, then it will take you to the admin panel and it will ask me to log in. Okay, so here I am logging in. So here it is. This is our admin panel. From here we will control the website. This is a fresh installation, there is nothing else. This is the built-in theme. When we install the WordPress, we will get this theme automatically. So this is fresh and new installation. Now I am going to install the theme. So here I would like to share which theme I am going to use. You can find a lots of good theme in theme forest. Even if you search according to your category, according to your business type, then you can easily find the best match for your website. Okay, but as a developer, I prefer to use a theme called Jupyter. Here is the theme. I most of the time I use this theme to build the website. Okay, I am using this theme. It has been around 3 to 4 years I am using this theme, and this is very much easy for the learner, and you can quickly learn how to build a website using the Jupyter theme. So I am going to use the Jupyter theme here. I have already downloaded the theme. Once you download the theme, then you will have this theme package. This is called the Jupyter installable folder, so you are going to use this one. So I am closing this window as I will install a theme. So here in my admin panel, I am going to the appearance from the left side, then I will go to the theme. So here we already have three themes. The first one is already active. These two themes are automatically included in the installation, so I can delete them. I don't want to make my website heavy, though it will not affect the speed, but I don't want to waste my hosting space. So this is the theme we already have. I'm not going to use the theme, so I am going to install the new theme. To install a new theme, here at the top you can see add new. Click on add new. Then here you can see upload button. Click on upload theme, then choose the file, and I have the file in this folder. Hopefully, yes, this is the jupyter.zip. I am going to use this folder and clicking install now. So it will take few seconds to upload the theme, and then it will be installed. And once it is installed, we will have to install few other plugins which are already included in the theme package, so you don't need to upload them. When you install the theme, it will show you which plugins are necessary to make the theme perfectly workable. Okay, so here it is uploading, and here it is, the theme is uploaded, you can see, and I'm going to activate this theme. So once I activate it, it will show me the notice. Here you can see I have the notice that theme requires following plugins. I'm going to skip these things. These are not necessary to see. So here I see the notice the theme requires following plugins. These are the plugins. These are already built in. So if I click on begin installing plugins, then it will show me a list of plugins which this theme requires. But I will not use all the plugins, because you know, whenever I will need, I will use them later. So I'm showing you which I'm going to use. I will need mostly the main important plugin is the visual builder, and the second important is the slider if I have any. So there is a resolve issues. We will cover this thing in another video, but for now let's install the most important plugin. This is called WP Bakery Page Builder. This is actually the visual builder using which we will build the pages. Okay, so I will cover it in another section here, but for now let's just keep it simple. Install the plugin. So it is installed. I'm going back. Now I'm making it activate. Okay, it is activated. So my theme and important plugin is activated. So if here theme installation is completed, I'm marking it red. Now I will go to create pages. So here if I go to the front end and refresh the website, here I can see that the new theme has been activated, and this is the raw function of the theme. We have not done anything, so we will start working on the step by step. Okay, but this is to confirm that our theme has been activated properly. Now I am going to create the pages, because just understand, if we don't have pages, for example in the menu we don't have anything, in the footer we don't have anything, if we don't have the basic things, we will not be able to design them perfectly. Okay, so I always prefer to implement some of the things we need, and then we will start to design them. So here first I am going to create the pages. So for this purpose I am going to the pages section. At the left side you can see pages. I can go to the all pages, and here you can see one page is already installed. This comes when you install the WordPress. So I'm going to delete this one. So it is deleted. Now I will create the pages. As you know, the first page is going to be the home page. So here I am going to use the title as home. I'm just going to use the title, nothing more, because I will design these pages and add content later. But for now let's create the pages. So this is the home page. Once I write down the title, then I can see the publish. I click on publish. So you can see the page is published. Now I will add another page that is going to be about us. These are the most important basic pages we need for a website. Publish. Then another one can be contact us. Then publish. So here I just remembered one thing. This is a website. This is called squadfinancial.com. This is a website which my client likes. Okay, client has told me that this is a website I like, and I want my website to be modeled something like that. I don't want to copy exactly like this one, but I want to make my website something like that. Okay, so I am going to use this as a base inspiration for my website. So here, and you will see most of the time when I am going to build an element, you will see here I will take the inspiration, I will see how they are building, so I can do something different, and but client will see, oh okay, this is something I wanted. Okay, something like that. So here I have created 3 pages, and I can add one more. Let's see, we can add what we do. The another page is going to be what we do. Publish. So now if I go back to the all pages section under the pages, you will see we have 4 pages, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we have created the pages. So here creating pages is done. Now we are going to create the menus. The menus means as you already know. Here we have the menu, who we are, what we do, market access, support and contact, something like that. So here if I see my front end of the website, you can see add a menu. We have nothing in this menu, so I am going to create the menu, and for this purpose I just created the pages. Okay, so I'm going to create the menu. To create the menu, from the left side appearance, go to the menus section. Here you will see this window. Here we will first have to create a menu, so I am going to put the name main menu, and then I will hit create menu. So the menu has been created. Okay, but we have nothing in this menu. We have not added any pages in this menu, so we are going to add the pages. If you notice here, you can see under pages we have 4 pages which we created by adding a new page. Okay, so we are going to use these pages and add to menu. Here you can see these pages are here under the main menu option. So I am going to organize them by dragging and dropping. So first will be home page, then we will have about us, then what we do, then contact us. Okay, so this menu is created. I can click on save menu. Now if I refresh the website, you can still see we don't have any menu here, because we have not assigned the menu in this exact position. We have created the pages, we have added those pages in the menu, but we have not assigned that menu. Okay, so we will have to go back to the menu section. Here we created this menu, and under this menu, here menu settings, you can see display location, where I would like to show this menu. So this is going to be the primary navigation. In a website, if you see the main navigation at the top area in the header section, or under the header, or above the header, it can be in any place, but basic and in most cases the primary menu is that menu. Okay, so here I'm going to select primary navigation, and now I can click on save menu. So if I refresh now, you can see I have the pages. Okay, so you know how to create menu and how to add pages into the menu, and how to assign the menu as the primary menu. So I'm going here and I am marking is red. It's done. Now we will go to the design options. Okay, so if I see the website now, here we have the elements basically we need for the website. We have a header, we have menu, we have page, we have footer, but we will start to add other things here, and we will start to design the website. Okay, so in the next video I will show you about the theme functions. So in this section here we have installed WordPress, we have installed theme, we have created pages, we have created menus, and we will now start to design the website.